tutorial.
Hi, I'm Monique from Beats and Basics. Thanks for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make these cool statement earrings using our complete DIY kits. So we got these in 3 different colors. We got them in gold with red, gold with navy blue, and silver with black. And in these kits you've got everything you need to make these earrings. So I'll show you how it works. So in the kit you'll find all the materials to make 2 of these gorgeous earrings. And I'll just show you what's inside. Of course you get 2 large tassels. They're nicely packed in these plastic tubes, so they stay really nice. Then we've got our large charms. We've got 2 charms for our point stones and 8 blue really cool metallic faceted beads. Then you've got 8 of these small gold diamond beads, and then some basic materials. So you've got head pins, 2 earring hooks, and these are really handy. These are these like plastic tube stoppers so your earrings don't fall out. We've got some jump rings in 4mm and 6mm. So this is everything you get in your kit. That's enough to make 2 earrings. And you're also going to need some basic equipment. So you're going to need some stress glue, pliers, and a round plier. So if you don't have these all ready, you can buy these in our web shop, and this is everything you get in your kit, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we're going to start by gluing this point stone into our charm. Fill your charm up about half with the stress glue and gently press your stone. And we're just going to leave that to dry so it's ready to use when we need it. So then we're going to start by making these charms with our head pins and faceted beads and these really cute gold charms. So put your bead on your head pin, and then using your round pliers, just place the end of the head pin between your pliers and gently wrap it around, and then just fold it back a little bit so you've got this hook. Then we're going to attach our golden charm and close the eye using your normal pliers. So you don't want this eye to be too tight, you just want to have a little bit room so the charm can move around a little bit. And then what's important for this design is that your bead is placed above your charm. So you can see your head pin's a bit crooked now, so just use your pliers to straighten out a little bit. And now the bead is nicely in the middle above your charm on the head pin. So we're going to cut our head pin using our normal pliers. There's a small cutting part over there. And we're going to cut a little bit less than 1 centimeter above our bead. Like this. And then again we're going to use our round pliers, and this is actually the only part of the earrings that you have to like be a bit precise what you're doing, because you want your charms to be hanging like this. So you want to have the front of the charm hanging like this, and you don't want to have it hanging like this on its side. So just make sure that you place your head pin the right way between your pliers, like this, so the charm is hanging like this from the front and not like this. So you can just adjust that with your head pin, and then again wrap the head pin around your pliers. We're not going to close that just yet. We're going to attach it to our charm, and then we're going to close this loop. And again, you don't want this to be too tight so it can't move around. Just make sure it's properly closed. So that's our first charm, and we're going to attach one next to it and then two on this side, and we're going to attach a tassel in the middle. Okay, so I attached all the 4 charms, and now we're going to attach our tassel using a 6mm jump ring. So always open your jump rings like this and not like that, otherwise you won't be able to close them properly again. So you have to open it quite a bit because you want to put it right through your tassel. So here in the middle, and just push it all the way through, and just make sure as it's coming out on the other side that you're not like tearing any of the threads. So that's looks okay. And now we're going to attach it to our charm and just close your jump ring. And then just turn it a little bit so the part where it's open is inside your tassel, like this, so you don't see it. So our charm has dried, and now we're going to attach that also using a 6mm jump ring. And now we only have to attach our earring hook, and we're going to attach it straight to our charm, so we're not using an extra jump ring. Otherwise it won't be hanging like this, it will be hanging sideways. So that's just a thing to be checking if you're making earrings. So just open up your earring hook a little bit and make sure it's hanging to the front. So you want your design to be hanging like this. So just close your earring hook, and then we've got these handy plastic tubes so your earrings will stay in your ear. And that's your earring finished. So of course you can make 2 with your kit. And they're just really cool, really fancy, and a plus, they're not heavy at all. So they're really big, large earrings, but they're not heavy because the tassels aren't heavy at all, and these are all just very lightweight beads and charms. So they look kind of heavy, but they're actually not, and they're very comfortable to wear. So we've got this color, gold and blue. We've also got a kit in red, so that's these, red and gold, and we also got a silver kit, so that's our silver and black. And that's just a small variation, so we don't have these small charms in this kit, but we used black drop beads, so you'll get some extra head pins, so you can also make these cool charms yourself. And if you want to make other color variations, you can buy all the materials separate in our shop. We got the tassels in loads of different colors, the stones, so you can really make it exactly as you like. I hope you like this one. If you want to make it yourself, you can buy all the materials in our web shop, www.beadsandbasics.com. And if you want to share your creations, you can do that on Instagram using #beadsandbasics. We love to see all the things you make. If you want to see even more jewelry tutorials, subscribe to our channel, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye!